not
No.
urgent will be P3.
Yeah. Medium, we are saying that if there is a LOPC and leading to people
Okay,
No,
injury.
medium need to be one.
Yeah.
Medium and P3.
So low P2 is a P2.
Medium.
Low and
Medium.
low and
Yeah.
urgent.
No, but it is not immediate. It is not
Low and
urgent, right?
low urgent is
So
a
everything
P3.
here is P3. Not urgent because it is already trip. So he needs to investigate and do everything.
Yeah. If it is only trip, so we have to take action to investigate the causes and restart. So that is why I am putting A and low. This LSL. Where is this LSL?
It's the
LSA.
same. It's in the high trip, right? The other
This
one
one.
is low trip, this high trip. Yeah, this is equivalent to this one.
Consequence, right? Malfunction causes. Malfunction cause. So I mean, this is already a trip.
This is already
Loss of
trip,
production.
so loss of production.
And operator need to investigate and start the pump.
Yeah.
Start the
Loss of
system.
high level.
Cause of high level.
Investigate causes of high.
Stripper and take action to restart.
Yeah.
Restart the system. Right?
Yeah.
And this is a more than 30 minutes.
Yes.
This is ESD function. This is A and low. And this is not urgent. Same we are saying, right? Because this is A and low.
Yep.
P3.
High pressure.
This is similar. Yeah, this is the first time you're doing pressure, right? First time pressure. High pressure is stripper.
Yes.
This is
Go
this
to the
one.
pin ID. Go to the pin ID and we'll see this 70905.
Yeah.